I made a chocolate cake in a mug in just 1 minute. I'll add 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of sugar. This chocolate cake is perfect for when you want a dessert. I'm going to mix our ingredients. I'm sure it'll impress you. Next, I'll add 2 tablespoons of milk. I'll mix our ingredients again. Then, I'll add 2 tablespoons of oil. I'll stir to combine all the ingredients. Next, I'll add 3 tablespoons of wheat flour. I'll mix to fully incorporate it into our recipe. If you're craving something sweet, but don't want to spend hours in the kitchen, this cake is perfect to save your day. Now, I'll add 3 tablespoons of chocolate powder. I'll mix it a bit more to fully combine. After tasting this dessert, it became my favorite, and I make it every week. Finally, I'll add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and stir to fully incorporate it. Who said you need an oven to make a delicious cake? With this method, you'll have a dessert ready in just a few minutes. It's perfect for when time is short, but you don't want to give up dessert. I'll microwave it for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Once the time is up, I'll set it aside for a moment. Meanwhile, I'll add 2 tablespoons of milk to 50 grams of melted chocolate. I'll mix our ingredients. There's nothing better than a chocolate cake made in the microwave to sweeten your day. Quick, easy, and incredibly tasty. There's no reason not to make it at home. If you've never tried making a cake in the microwave, this recipe is the perfect invitation to discover how easy and delicious it is. Everyone at home loves this recipe because it's so delicious. Make it at home and tell me what you think. Then, I'll pour our chocolate over the cake. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to have a dessert ready in just a few minutes. I'll add some chocolate sprinkles. These sprinkles will add a special touch to our mug cake. Now our recipe is ready. See how we made a delicious cake with just a few ingredients and very quickly? I have no doubt you'll come back to thank me for teaching you this wonderful chocolate cake recipe. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thanks so much for watching until the end. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!